Dear students and all the viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Adil Bapari, Assistant Teacher, Mulhar Wajidia High School, Banaipura, Borishal. As a part of our regular online class, today I am here to discuss a class on degree. Actually, degree means the adjective of comparison between two or more things. If we discuss it, we have to know the classification of degree. Now I am going to analyze it on my board. We know there are three kinds of degree. At first, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Yes, we find here three types of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. We will get it in number 6 and second part especially. Now I am going to show you two format of degree. If you try to understand it, I think you will able to cover maximum part of degree in your SSC exam. So at first I am going to show you the first format. And here at first, positive degree. Very first of the positive degree, we can write no other plus subject plus verb plus as or so plus adjective plus as plus noun or pronoun. And second one, comparative degree. Please notice on the board. In here, when we will apply this format, then we have to take last part of the positive sentence, that is noun or pronoun. Very first of this comparative form, it will be, we should take it as a subject here. Noun or pronoun means the noun and pronoun of positive form. It will be subject of comparative form, then verb, after that adjective, comparative form of adjective, plus then plus any other or all other plus noun অথবা pronoun here this noun and pronoun comes from the subject of positive form. At last, superlative degree. Here also subject will be the subject of comparative form, or this subject is the last part of the positive sentence. This is noun or pronoun. This noun pronoun will come first as a subject in superlative or comparative degree. Here then bird plus the plus superlative form of adjective plus noun or pronoun of positive degree. Here we say this noun or pronoun comes from positive degree subject. If we say an example, then it will be clear for us. Please give your attention. No other boy is as tall as Rana. Actually, you see here the example of positive degree. In this sentence, we see very first of this sentence, no other comes. Then subject is used. Then we see verb, subject, verb. Then comes as. After that we find adjective. It is the positive form of adjective. Then we say Rana, which is a noun. So what can I say? No other subject, verb as positive form of adjective tall, then as, and at last we see a noun, that is Rana. If we want to change it or transform it in a comparative degree, then this Rana will come first. Then it will be Rana. Then we have to take verb, that is. Rana is. Then we have to take comparative form of adjective. We know the comparative form of tall is taller. Then we have to take then according to our structure. We take then we have to take any other or all other. In here I mentioned, please give your attention. In maximum case you can take any other, and now we will take any other. After that we have to take the noun or pronoun that will come from positive degrees subject. see, according to our format, the subject of positive degree goes the last portion of the sentence of comparative form. And now, in this way, we will transform positive degree into superlative form. Then we should take the last portion of positive degree noun, that is Rana. Then we have to take verb. You see here, verb, that is. And according to our structure, we have to take the. After that, we have to take the superlative form of adjective, that is tallest. And then the subject of positive degree, that will go last. In here, we see, according to our format, no other, then comes subject boy, then verb is, and according to our format, then comes as, adjectives positive form tall, then as, and after that, and now there is Rana. And when we changed this sentence, we use subject Rana from the last person's noun, that is Rana, then verb, then adjectives comparative form, and then and in this way any other, and boy, that also comes from the subject of positive form. In this way, we also did the superlative form of this sentence according to this format. If we discuss or analyze another format, then we will see with no other alternative will be very few. Then subject, I mentioned it, that is, when you use very few, then the subject will be plural. Subject will be plural. And then verb, and as subject is plural, so verb will be plural, as, so, and all the format will be same except very few. And in here we see subject singular form, but if we use very few, then subject will be plural. In this way, in here all part will remain same except this part. In here we will use subject, verb, adjectives comparative form, then, and then we will use most other, not any other, most other, and then this noun or pronoun will be plural. This will be plural. In this way, the change will be superlative form, that is not the, but it will be one of the, and superlative form of adjective, then noun and pronoun. if we want to apply this format in this sentence, then the sentence can be changed in this system, that is very few, and the subject will be plural, then boy will be boys, very few boys, and in here bird will be are. Very few boys are as tall as Rana. In here we can change this sentence in this system, that is Rana is taller than. In here the change will be most other, and in here boy will be boys. And what will be the change of superlative degree? In here the change will be Rana is one of the tallest boy. One of the tallest boys. So now we'll see whether this format is applied according to that. Please see, in positive degree we use first very few. In here we see very few, then subject plural, boys plural, then verb, after that as, then we see adjectives positive form tall, then as, and at last we see a noun, that is Rana. This positive degree is transformed in this way, that is, you see Rana comes first, that position was last in the positive degree. Then comes verb, then the comparative form of adjective tall, that is taller. After that we use then according to our rule. Then we use most other, that also comes from our format. And at last we see a noun boys, that also comes from the subject of positive degree. At last we see the superlative degree. In here we also use Rana as a subject, then verb, then comes one of the. After that we used tallest, which is the superlative degree of tall or taller. Then we used boys. It also plural in here. So I think if you apply, or if you know these two format of rules or format of this degree, then it will be helpful for you in your exam hall to do well. And not only that, in our next class I will say rest of the rules and which will be fruitful for you. Today I suggest you to write down these two rules in your notepad, and if you find any problem you can share your links in comments box. And today this is all from our online class. See you again. Thank you.